Good morning, everyone. Excuse me. Today I'm going to just take you through quickly what you're going to be doing in the lesson today. I feel like I'm starting to be like, hi, I'm Missy, welcome to my YouTube channel, but really, it's just not like me. Today you're going to write your introduction for your research essay. And just a reminder, you will be going back to Google Classwork and doing this work in your research essay outline. If you need to contact me, my contact info is down here, and office hours are at 1:30 every day. So you'll watch the introduction lesson here, and then you will complete this no red ink exercise. It's specifically going to work on hooks, because I know that hooks are something that we as a class need to work on, and they are kind of difficult. So this no red ink lesson will take you through how to write a hook. If you do not have access to no red ink yet, please sign in with Google and click here to join the no red ink class. Then you're going to watch a tutorial in which I'm going to show you what you need in your introduction and how to write it. You'll complete your introduction in your research essay organizer, outline, and then you'll complete the exit reflection. And make sure that today you turn in your work. So last class you didn't have to turn it in. Make sure that today, by Friday at 11 p.m., you turn in your work. I just wanted to go over some grading policies as well. So your grade is 90% academic mastery. So what that means is that I am grading you for your classwork, and then that will go into the grade book. And then habits are 10% of your grade. So all work highlighted in yellow on the landing page will go into jump rope. So for example, if I go back to the landing page and I go down to the Unit 4 calendar, highlighted text in yellow is graded in jump rope. So you can always go back to this and then click on this link to go back to the work if you missed it. Which brings me to my next point. Which is that all work is highlighted in yellow, and all assignments can be revised for full credit. So it's okay if you do them late. If you do an assignment late, it will only impact your habit grade, which again, remember, is only 10% of your grade. And you can always submit assignments late. Just make sure that you email me when you do. And then finally, I wanted to show you this habit tracker. So it's pretty easy for you to see how your grades that I give back to you based on rubrics in the outline just correlate directly with your jump rope grade, but I just want to show you how you can see what your habit grade is. So you can click on this habit tracker. I'm not sure why it didn't show up here. So you can click on this habit tracker right here. And you can also find this habit tracker in the landing page right here under habit tracker. And you can go here, not there, and look up your name and see, okay, my name is whatever, Jason. You can see that you completed these 2 assignments, and therefore your habit grade will be a 90 just because you didn't contact me. So you need to make sure you complete both assignments. You can contact me either, whether it's office hours, text, email, GChat, any sort of communication, even if you reply to one of my posts in your, like one of my comments in your classwork. All of that is included in contact or communication. If something is missing, make sure you complete that work for the day and email me with the missing lesson. And finally, you can just click on this link to bring you to these slides that will tell you what you need to do each day. And so again, we're going to be working on our introductions, and it's important that you just remember what an introduction is. So the purpose of an introduction is to introduce the reader to what the heck you are talking about. You cannot just go straight into your essay without giving some sort of background, some sort of context, and pretend as though your reader or me doesn't know anything about your topic, and you need to give the who, what, when, where of your topic. So you need to make sure you have a hook or something that grabs the reader's attention and brings them in, background information, context, and present your research question. And finally, make sure that you do contact me at some point this week, whether it's email, text, or come to office hours at 1:30 every day this week. And I also will be having the first Netflix special on Thursday. So watch the first episode of When They See Us, and then you can come, and that can also count as your contact for your habit grade. So what you'll see is this is what you need to complete is a 4:30-5:1 work. So make sure you complete all the highlighted portions. And finally, make sure that you copy and paste your thesis paragraph from above. So that way when you turn it in and I grade it, it'll just all be right here. And this is the portion that I grade.